Lil G here, Nemo TV. Show them Target. 24-hour Target challenge, not Walmart Target. We're gonna cut out the Walmart Target. Today, we got map out. We don't got the map out right now, but y'all feel me? Okay, so come here. So here's Target, right? Here's Target. You go in, toilet paper section over here. Bam, over here is a little lounge area. Starbucks and all that. Get food, go back to the toilet paper section, and then they got another section. It wasn't really like diapers or anything, but it was kind of big, and I think we could hide behind there. So I think we should be successful in this for today. 24 hours, let's go.
Angel. I got my city doing front flips. When every father made a rapper jump ship. I guess that's why they call it where I stay. Clean up the streets so my daughter can have somewhere to play. I'm the blueprint to a real man. Some of these niggas toss they tassel for a deal, man. I ain't going to hell or the hill, man. For my real fans.
YouTube is about 8:30 around there right now. I'm finna start doing the fort. And 24 hours, we got multiple forts around this Target. No one's in Target. You need to shop at Target. No, I'm joking, but let's get the video on and let's go. Nemo TV out. So first we gotta get the toilet paper set, right?
Pull up,
Frank,
headshot,
Frank,
sit down,
Frank,
stand up,
Frank,
pass out,
Frank,
wake up,
Frank,
fade it.
Show them how long it is real quick. Show them. The longest toilet paper fort ever. 24 hours, let's go.
Was looking to make a vow soon that I'ma get fucked.
Already got a rug for the place. And got a little game section. It's in Target. No one goes to Target to shop. See how long this is? All the way down. We got pillow, no fort. God bless you. We gotta go back to the fort now because no more space to put in the cart. Let's go. On to the next one. Let's go. As you can see, right now it's 9:46 a.m. Let me just get it better. You see, you got this set up right here perfectly. I'm gonna start down there. Tons of space. Tons of space all the way down. It's the whole section of toilet paper actually. This should be an easy fort. Not one person came by. People came by, but they all go over to Bounty. We'll start to finish the fort, and yeah, we'll get back to you. Okay, here's the whole fort. Goes down, carpet right there, pillow. Might sleep right there. Switch it. This is the other side of the fort. Pillow, carpet all the way down. Pretty big, pretty comfortable. Sleep on this, so for whoever does buy it, doesn't get my facial things on or whatever. But yeah, pretty easy fort in my opinion. Been in here for like 30-40 minutes trying to rearrange it because we have to keep moving things in and out, but it's pretty successful so far. And yeah, start chin all the way down there. Zoom in real quick right here. When I tell you it's really long, it's like just that long. Chino way too big being here. Chino's 6'6". How tall are you, Chino? 6'5". Too big to be here. I'm 6'3". He's 6'5". Way too big to be in here. Okay, so more hours to go, you know. Like, we've been here for a while. 4 hours about, like I said. People have been coming, passing by. They really don't grab none of it, even though this is the cheapest brand. Been playing games, Guitar Hero, whatever. So I'm gonna give y'all a tour of my space, you know. Pretty soothing. You wanna rent this place out. Comes with a nice couch, a tablet, and a pillow. And a nice fine rug of the spaces. Planets. Cost $15 a week to live here. If you want it, come by it right now. Hit me up. Excuse me, I'm Friday. But yeah, that's my space right here. Try a little tour. Turn around. What's out till I die? Here's the outside of it, all the way down. It's the whole section. Here's my spot with the tablet. Like I said, $15 a week. Come in here, look all the way down. Y'all grab the tablet and let's go. Okay, now I'm going here. Show what time it is real quick. 12:29. I'm gonna grab the tablet. Let's go out and explore. I'm a little tired. It's real tiny, so I got kind of claustrophobic. But let's play around a little bit in Target and try to find some other for it. Let's go. Zip it up. Okay, never mind. What the fuck? I say, what the fuck is that? Oh. I'm gonna keep trying until I succeed. Another fort for the 24 hours. Just stay not detected. You gotta have multiple forts. And Target is like right in the middle, but it's real big. You have double, triple layers. Sweating and stuff. It's decent. And here's the fort. Pretty spacious. Might take a nap in a little bit. Get time through. Probably eat some, buy some, eat some. Yeah. Might put a couch. Pretty nice in here, like I said. Tons of gaps. We can easily close these up. Make it 45. Make it look like someone just worked here and stacked it all up. But I'm sweaty, tired. Probably gonna get up and go back to the phone and take a nap now. Tino, take the phone real quick. I'm back in the fort now. 5:05 p.m. Probably do some more stuff, watch videos, stay in here for about another 2 hours. And yeah, Tino just came in back from the bathroom with that. We just got something to eat, came back in again. Got some Cheetos. He got some chips too, something to drink. Oh, almost done with the Cheetos now because we were so hungry. I forgot to record. And we both grabbed a sandwich. We split it in half. At the Starbucks and Pizza Hut, so we might grab some from there. And then, yeah, after that, it's gonna be darkening a little bit. But after that, we'll probably go to sleep. We'll try to go to sleep for the whole night. I'm pretty sure I could go to sleep for the whole night. Then after that, wake up, get out, put the stuff back in. Yeah, pretty successful. Surfing the web right now. Just watched a couple of FujiTube videos and all that. But yeah, it's probably back up now. Let's see what else we got for games and all that. Go to apps, calendar. No, go to the apps. Talks now, not bad. This is Spot Appreciation Day. Look at my spot. Look at my shoes flashing. My spot is legit. Tablet, everything. This is gonna be one comfortable night here for real. I'm finna sleep like a little baby. For real, for real, for real. My spot legit. Just move up $25 a week. If you want $25. Hey. We in here right now chilling. Nothing else to do. Just talking it up, talking about some hoes, whatever. You go. Alright. You know what we're talking about. We know. Chilling. Almost like 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. But yeah, you know, just chilling in here. Someone else go? Alright. Let me see the phone quick. Oh, no. Stop. Okay, now. Hey. Easy on my feet. Yeah. Hello? Hey. Hold up. Hey. Alright.
That's cold, folks.
Hey. You know, I really can't do a lot of dancing, but you know, for the pop lock and drop, you feel me? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Do you hear me? I will find you. Now I'll kill you. Hey.
That's decent.
Tom Brady on. Hey. Nemo TV out. Hey. Always need multiple forts at night. Pretty comfortable in here. There's a red thicket finna here. Finna block these things off so people can't see us. Yeah. Little tour all the way down the living room right there, little section. Here. Target at night, like I said, it's crazy, bro. I had to switch to the tablet camera, but yeah, we're walking around, get something to eat. Push me.
Bro.
Turn. Need to work right there. Turn. Tino. What are you doing? This dude just like, turn. Okay, now I'm gonna go to sleep. I think Walmart is about to close in a little bit. Know how I do it down here. I wake everybody up. Come on now. Chino, drop the carpet. That's too obvious. Chino's asleep right now. Y'all know how I do. I wake everybody up. No, in my fort. No one goes to sleep in my fort. Oh, that's ugly. My fault. I'm finna go sleep now, and yeah. No comment. Easy on my feet. Yeah, Jordans. Alright, but yeah, if I go to sleep now, let's see how it is. We've been here for a long time. I'm talking about hours. Yes, it's tough. But you know, eating food, chopping it up, you know, too easy. Play some games, we bought some stuff. No, we didn't buy it though, but yeah. No, I'm joking. But got a couple hours left. Oh, I keep saying Walmart. Should be successful for like always. Right now, like and subscribe. First ever 24-hour Target. I'm the longest one ever. Too easy in Target. No one really comes to pick things up. If they do, it's too simple to put things back. Everybody goes to Bounty. No one goes to the cheap brand right here. No one goes to this cheap brand. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and yeah, like and subscribe right now for us. Nemo Channel TV. Subscribe to Jail Story the second as well. Yeah, you feel me? Watching some of my basketball game. Let's see if I get a bucket right here. This like a whole 2 years ago. Let's see if I get a bucket right here. For I look skinny and weak, bro. I'm way bigger and better now, right? Look at that strong pass, folks. Assist. Look at that assist, bro. That's too easy for me. Give me ball. Pass back. Screen. Pass back. If I look trash right now, I promise you I'm way better than this right now. I promise you I'm way better than this. And one, for nice stuff, buddy. Oh, nice pass, Jill. Going. I almost messed Buddy ankles up right here. Messed him up. Alright. Okay, so let's see what else I got. Let's see what else. Come on, cut. Set screen. Hey. Come on, boy. Hey, bucket. And one. He couldn't guard me. And one. Bro, I was trash last year, but and one. Oh. Every. And one. That's about $2.55. No one's on Walmart right now. I've seen a couple of workers come by, even though I'm not Walmart. I mean, even though Target's not 24 hours, work is still staying here. Tab's about to die. I'm finna go to sleep now. And yeah, 14%. Finna go to sleep right now. Chino's down there asleep. I'm finna go to sleep real quick and see what's up with all this. Zooming on Chino's sleep. I don't know if I should wake him up or not, but yeah. I'm finna go to sleep, see how it is when pretty much I wake up. Yeah. Alright. Time to go to sleep, I guess. Hey, for you tweaking on that noise. I'm just now waking up. I think it's about 8 a.m. right now. Check. The tablet died. But I think it's 8 a.m. Chino's phone died too. I'm gonna put my phone. Yeah, it is 8 a.m. What's up, guys? Successful right now. We out. Like 8:20 right now. My tablet died. Chino's phone died. Recording with my phone. So now let's go out. And yeah, you see, I had to get kind of comfortable for the fort. Well, it was a success. 12 pound fort. Time to bust out. And yeah. Oh my gosh. Let me grab my t-shirt now. Successful fort like always. Chino's getting out now. Just woke up. Get out here. Real tired. Put the shirt on, let's get out. Easy on my no, Jordan. TV.
I worked it.
Huh?
Oh.
You gotta get other stuff out. Why you doing that? You gotta bust out. What's the earthquake? Oh my gosh. Earthquake. I just put the stuff back. I cut it. What's up, YouTube? We just finished 24-hour Target challenge. Like, comment, subscribe for the next video.
Hold up.
Know my friends, they killin'. All these hoes I'm killin'. Nigga came from dope dealin'. Dirt bike 4-wheelin'. Come no street, I'm peelin'. Come no street, I'm peelin'.
And I might jet loot the ceiling. And I'm trying to grind up on a million. And I might kill it if I feel it. Yeah, damn right, I kill it if she give it. Mac got a stench. Take it and we flip it. Take it and remix it. Bring it back 16 curves on them hoes.